All the food safety professionals are asking themselves the same question. Does globalization mean safer food, or does globalization mean increased risk? This conference is the conference where the food safety professional can get cutting-edge solution to answer this tricky question.
The Global Food Safety Conference is the premier food safety conference around the world. You bring together all the experts from all the major companies, all the global players, here to be able to work with one another, to network, to exchange ideas, and understand what's happening in our rapidly changing world.
The other day someone said to me, every time I visit the conference, I see that it's growing in importance. It's really getting bigger and bigger.
This is my first time here. It's great to be here to see everybody so passionate about food safety, and rightly so.
Every time I come here, I always get new knowledge and insights.
Well, it's a refresher, a mind refresher on the top hot topics with regard to food safety.
The speakers and the presentation appear to be really, really interesting.
The topics are very current and very relevant to our customers and our companies.
In my case, I'm a trainer, so for us it's very important to have the new information, the new trends, in order to train people in my company to produce better food for the global market.
I attended the stakeholder meeting. It was excellent to hear the progress that's been made on auditor competency. I think it's one of the challenges that the industry is facing.
For me, I would like to learn, because I believe this is a very good platform to meet people not only from food industry, also from academia, from the government, all the stakeholders.
The single most important reason why I attend this conference every year is for the networking opportunities, and also to understand the cutting edge direction for food safety practices and processes around the world.
I did attend the last year conference in Japan, but only for Japanese companies. But our organization activity is not only Japan, but also worldwide already. We have many clients in Europe and the US and Asian countries. So the Consumer Goods Forum gives us a very good opportunity, build up the network with those people.
It's the place to be to meet people, to understand progress in the programs that we have, also to be able to meet vendors, to meet peer companies, to meet, in my case, suppliers.
I have people from Carrefour from everywhere in the world in this conference, but I meet also my colleagues from the other company around the world, and we can share, we can mix, we can create network.
So I attended the session from Mark Schikowski on the Global Markets program, which is a very amazing program that GFSI is developing to help smaller companies to actually start working on a better food safety system in their organization. So that was a very useful session.
It's important for us to show to the stakeholders how the Global Market Protocol as a capacity building program could be used in developing countries to help suppliers access markets with the GFSI members.
For us in South Africa, we're currently busy with the Global Market Capacity Building Program. We are busy implementing it. So it's a great opportunity for us to learn from people that's been through the experience and to understand the challenges that they were facing so it can make life for us in South Africa easier.
We wanted to be at a place where we could partner with other stakeholders because we know no one can do it alone. There's no better place to be than at the GFSI meeting. By the sheer number of attendees, the variety of stakeholders and experts who are here together, and are like-minded people to come together and solve our food safety issues and improve the quality of food and the access to food around the world.
The food supply continues to shrink in terms of we share common suppliers, we share common manufacturing sites, and we share common distribution systems. So the ability to network with my peer colleagues, to network with a number of fantastic companies, and to continue to drive food safety globally is why every year I'll continue to come back, and so will my company.
We're delighted with the success of this year's conference. Believe it or not, we're already looking forward to next year's event. So please plan on joining us in sunny Anaheim, California, where we'll be talking about one world, one safe food supply.